Welcome to my channel, Seeking Trades. Today I'm going to show you my pre-market routine for building a watch list from news. I will also be making a future video about how I use a scanner from Primus to find other stock plays. If you find any value in this video, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give the video a thumbs up. This will also help provide this content for others seeking this type of information. Please leave a comment about your pre-market routine or any other content that you wish to see in the future. Let's get at it. My pre-market routine. I wake up in the morning, take a shower, get dressed. I'm ready for my day. And I ask myself a couple questions. Did I eat well? Yes. Did I sleep well? Maybe. It all depends on what's going on in life, right? I've got a couple kids. I got a family. There's things that happen. You stay up late, whatever. But you just got to be mindful that maybe you're a little tired that day and just be cognitive of that. You need to be true to yourself. Okay, so what has been your mindset in trading the strategy that you're currently using? We all know that discipline, composure, and being mindful is going to play a big part in using and utilizing that strategy that you have. Just be aware of it. Are you certain or uncertain of what's going on with that strategy? You need to answer those questions every single day that you go to trade and use that particular strategy that you're using. Lacking confidence in a strategy you're using, well then guess what? You're going to be lacking confidence in the next trade that you get into as well. So you also need to make sure that you're tracking that strategy and going through and making sure that you have a journal and you're journaling your trades and you're utilizing what strategy you're using, etc. Make sure that it's working and it's not just luck. You have to find out also what the market's doing. You got to go through and look at the news and the market, which that's what you're going to be doing, and I'm going to be showing you where to go for those news sources this morning. Now, if you don't plan, you plan to fail, and that's 100% true. Remember that 9 out of 10 traders do not succeed in day trading or trading the markets. You got to have that morning checklist and routine to help you make better trading decisions and makes it so that you're a little more confident going into your trading day. Okay, I'm going to show you how to record the information that you find from the news sources. When you put down the ticker symbol, the percent gain or what it might be down that day, and then the information that you find going forward. Okay, the first news source I come to is marketwatch.com. They do offer free articles, but there's a number, and you can hit that limit. So I am a subscriber. So you go to latest, click latest, go through the headlines, and you click on what you think you'd like to read, and so forth. Once you do, click on it, or you look up the ticker that you're interested in. We'll put Tesla in here. And Tesla comes up, and then you go down to recent news. Click on Tesla. You read the article, and then highlight whatever you think is relevant and you want to remember. Copy that. Then I will show you that Word doc with in the PDF, and then you can put in what it is, Tesla, and then copy paste, Control V, and then also if you want to, you can also put the percentage change on the day. And that's kind of where I'm at, and that's what I do. And everything that I trade, go through and just do a little bit of homework and find out what the news is. And then I was like, oh, I don't know what the news is on that ticker again. Go back, take a look at my sheet that I have right here. And that's pretty much it for this. And then if I wanted to, you can go to Seeking Alpha, and then you got to sign in, and then you go through again to latest news, top stocks, latest news, and then you can read the articles on this. You click on it and copy paste what you need again back onto your Word document. And that's what I continue to keep on doing. If you find any value in this video, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give this video a like. Okay, one of the other news sources I use is the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim application, and this is the downloaded version. But you basically can go over here where all your account information is, and you can go down to the add button down here at the bottom left, click on it, and then you can click live news. And once you have the live news feed up, you can scroll through and see what's going on about what's coming on in real time. And you could also have the ability to detach that gadget and put it on a different monitor if you'd like. If you have multiple monitors like I do myself, I currently have 6, but it's not that I use them all, but I do watch some videos and have chat rooms open, Discords, and things like that, just to have some extra information that I could refer back to if I need to, or reference to. Anyhow, so this is it. You basically can scroll through this and see what kind of looks good. And again, you can type in the ticker symbol here, Tesla, and then, okay, so battery partner. So here's some information on that. I clicked it, but it came on another monitor. Let me pull that in for you. And here's the article. Just something to read through really quick. And if you like whatever it is that's being said about Tesla, again, you can copy it, or you could highlight it and then bring up your Word doc. And so you can't right click and copy that. You just have to put Control C on a PC. And then you can go back to your screen. Oh, I guess I didn't have the news up on that one. And then, yeah, you can refer back and read it all. And so, and continue reading whatever information that you'd like to put in and document. As just don't get too crazy with it. I mean, don't be information overload. Don't be analysis paralysis because of you just have so much information you don't know how to process it. Just read through these documents slightly. Just if it try to determine if it's good news or bad news, and then always watch the volume, price action, and which is volume and price, and take a look at the stock itself before you just start jumping out and thinking that, oh, because this news is out, this is what's got to happen. Just watch to see how the market reacts, because they're crazy, and the market can react a way that you thought would never even possibly exist, but then all of a sudden it does. So, I mean, just like when Tesla, not that I'm trying to get off on a tangent, but Tesla had great earnings, it ripped up, and then look at that, hit the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 days later, it's back down big time. But Tesla's a big mover, so I wouldn't let that. That's actually just not surprising to me. Anyhow. Okay, to recap the video, use that list that I provided you in the video to help with your pre-market preparation, and then use the news sources as well to help you find out the stocks that you want to trade, or help you find out information for the stocks that you trade on the regular. Also, this should help you keep up on the current market conditions and news. So just remember that. If you're going to use just a few of the sources, use MarketWatch.com and the Thinkorswim news feed. Those are probably the best solid ones that you can use. And then if you're looking for a discount on a new scanner, something that can show you what's moving in real time, I highly recommend Primus. I reached out to Primus, and they've given me a discount code to be able to pass on to my subscribers and my listeners. So it's Seeking Trades. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Please check it out. You can get a free trial offer and use their system before you even buy it. But again, they're competitively priced, and I highly, highly recommend them. I've made a lot of money off their scans and scanners they've offered, and they're just now breaking into the retail market the past few years, so I highly, highly recommend them. Again, if I've brought you any value, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up, and check out any of these other videos that I link at the end of this video. Thank you, and good luck trading.